Hello, today we're going to learn how to do two things. One will be to add a slideshow to your website, and then the other is going to be to add folders where you can drop in your weekly newsletter. So to add a slideshow, again, in my drive, we've all created our slides here, and I'm just going to link to it. So I'm going to come to our website. I'm going to go to the insert button and click on slides. It's pulling up every single slide I have in my drive. I'm going to click on that. And there we go. So the parents are going to see this every single time. You do not have to change your website. You only publish it once and then you're done. Anytime you want to add pictures, you're going to add it to your Google slide. It'll automatically update into your published one. So the parents just need to click on here and they'll see everything. The other thing that we're going to learn how to do today is add in a folder. So for a weekly newsletter, again, on our web page itself, we do not want to add to it and publish it every time. We want to add everything from my drive. So I'm going to put in a picture here. I'm going to upload a picture, something that the parents will know what to click on. And there we have a newsletter. Okay, now I just need to link to my folder. So I'm going to go to my drive. I have my middle school newsletters. As you can see, they're updated every single week that they're added. Again, I'm dropping them into the folder here. So I'm going to click on my folder and I'm going to click on the share button. Now the most important thing is where it says anyone on the internet can view and find. We don't want to have anyone having to sign in. So I'm just going to click on the link to the folder, go back to the website, add the link to the folder. And there we go. So when a parent clicks on the parent newsletter, it's going to go right to the website, or right to the folder. And again, I'm not going to be changing anything on the website after this. I'm going to be dropping everything into my drive right inside this folder. So I go to the finished website and I click on the link. And again, they don't have to sign in. They'll have access to all of your information. So that should do it. We've learned how to to add a slide, and we've learned how to do a folder. And again, everything is done at this level in your drive. We're not messing around with our website anymore. So if you have any questions, please let me know. That'll conclude this one. Thank you.